If you're experiencing connection errors in Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your online experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. You can run a speed test to verify your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Update your gaming system. Make sure that both Red Dead Redemption 2 and your gaming system PC, PlayStation, or Xbox are updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve connectivity, so keeping everything updated is crucial. Step 3. Optimize network settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. If you must use Wi-Fi, ensure you're close to the router. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications or downloads running in the background on your gaming device. These can consume bandwidth and lead to connection issues while playing online. Step 5. Contact support. If you've tried all the above steps and still experience connection errors, reach out to Rockstar Games Support for assistance. They may have additional troubleshooting steps or be aware of ongoing server issues. By following these steps, you can enhance your gaming experience and reduce connection errors in Red Dead Redemption 2. Good luck and enjoy your game.